Chapter 8. Icicles on my whiskers. It took 3 hours to reach the castle. "There are icicles on your whiskers," my sister told me. It didn't surprise me. I was so cold. I felt like a mouse popsicle. Benjamin had slipped under my coat to stay warm. I could hear his tiny teeth chattering. We had to find a way into the castle, or we were going to end up in the frozen food aisle at the King Cat supermarket. Thea checked out the walls in the front. At last, I spotted a big pipe that opened into the castle's moat. "Over here!" I called, crawling into the pipe. Quiet as mice, we scurried inside. I sniffed the air. "These must be the castle sewers," I choked. But there was no time to worry about the stinky smell. Holding one another's paws, we crept to the end of the tunnel.